Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I gonna tell you about Telegram mining bot. Recently I earned almost $2,000 from Notcoin, and you can also earn through different mining app just like you see in my screen. And I'm going to tell you about a new mining application named Pixel Tap by PixelVerse. Here you just have to do nothing, only here you need to just tap on start, and here now tap on the launch bot option here. And recently the PixelVerse, this application raised almost $5 million, and here you can see on my screen here. Here you need to just claim on time to time, almost 1 to 2 hour. Here you can earn from here point. I almost earn 6.52 million. And here you also invite your friend to get bonus point. Here tap on invite, and I only invite 3 because I have no time to refer. Here tap on invite friend and click the link and share to your friend to get the bonus from your friend. And here fight option here, you just have to fight with another pet to earn point. And here you almost lose your coin, you don't need to fight. And next tap top, here almost 59.6 billion coin users who invited 4,488 referrals. And you just have to click on reward section and just here claim reward, claim. And then here you have to fill the combo card. A combo card provided in my Telegram channel. You just go and join my Telegram channel, link in the description of this video. Now randomly card, if I choose randomly, then I lose money, I gain few money. Here you see I got 000, just nothing. And if you want to earn from here, you have to join my Telegram channel, and there I provide the daily combo, and you can earn from there. Now just you have to do nothing, just claim and claim on time. And here the wallet section on upper side, click on wallet. And the PixelVerse community automatically announce on the wallet connect. So leave it and enjoy by the mining this application on mine crypto free. Then just you see here in subscribe to channel go, and here you can see almost 5.7 million subscriber on his channel. And here you can see the investor, he invest on PixelVerse. And also you can see many of the investors are investing in this application. And you can see here $5.5 million have raised the economy by PixelVerse community. And here the famous exchanges just like company invest on this merit circle, there are many. And you just have do nothing, just launch bot and start mining. Thank you. In this video we meet in another video. Bye.